back to my channel. My name is Linda, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to do the clean makeup look that has been trending everywhere on YouTube and caught my attention. I've seen a couple people do it and I decided to do it as well. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you like it, and let's get into the video. But first of all, can we take a minute to appreciate this hair? Like, come on. Like, just look at this hair. Very soft, very, oh my god, very easy to wear. So my hair is from Lash Beauty Hair. If you're interested, I'll put the name of the brand on the screen, and also I'll put a link in my description box. So if you like my hair, go ahead to their Instagram page and purchase. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Linda. In today's video I'll be doing the clean girl makeup that has been trending on YouTube, and I love it. I don't know, I think it's the same thing as soft glam, to be honest, but I don't know, and I've not done a video in a while, and I was like, why don't I just try it? So that's what we're doing today. Yeah, let's just get straight into business, and you guys should ignore the fact that I have been on and off. I actually just like filming YouTube videos, to be honest. I don't know why I've not been consistent, to be honest, but I like filming YouTube videos and whatnot, and I know how to do makeup, so I'm also going to be sharing my knowledge with you guys. I'm sorry if there are noises in the background. I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. No lights, everywhere is just hot up and down, so everybody's generator is on. I am kind of sweating right now, but anyways, this video is going to go up, so let's just get straight into the video. So for my face, I'm priming my face with the Minimalist Aqua Grape Water Jelly Primer. I've used this primer once and I actually love it, but I don't know, so I'm going to use it again today, and I'm going to give you guys my own. If you keep seeing this primer in my videos, it's a must buy, okay? But everything I use, I'll link them in the description box below, so you guys can purchase if you want. So let's get straight into the video. I'm going to be priming my face with the Minimalist Aqua Grape Water Jelly Primer. I've used this primer before, okay, and I liked it, but I just want to be sure again. But I don't know, but if you see it consistently on my channel, know that the primer is a must use. Next, I'm going in with my Rimmel Mattifying primer to just mattify my face, just my nose area. So I'm just going to go into my nose area, my forehead here, I shine my upper lip, and here. This is where I sweat a lot. Next, I'm going in with these two foundations. I cannot decide which one I love. Is it that I cannot decide which one I love, or I cannot decide which one is my shade actually? But I love the Hegai and Esther Photo Perfect Foundation and the Noble Beauty in My Skin Foundation. Guys, Nigerian brands are killing it. I'll just stop there. Like, if you know, you know. Nigerian brands are killing it. Because so guys, this foundation is coming out, I feel like it's coming out orange on the camera, so don't worry about it. It's going to oxidize, like it's going to go into my skin and become my shade. Magic. Anyways, yeah, like filming in Lagos is like really hard though. Like all our YouTubers and everybody, they are trying. I feel like people should appreciate them more, and people should pay them their money, because why will I be filming and you say you want to give me products? Ha. Hey, voila. You want to like exchange products for, what do they call that thing? You want to exchange products for exposure. What are they saying? I don't know what they're talking about, but me, I will not agree. But to be honest, I almost agreed when one brand approached me. But thank God for Tommy. I can never forget, like, God, Tommy was like, you want to do it for free? And I'm like, what's there now? It's not just help them. But when I read their whole terms and conditions, I was reading everything that they were requiring me to do this, do that. I was like, Nibo. I was like, how? I said, I told them what Tommy said. So if you want advice, I don't know, but Tommy is a really nice person. So if you want advice, just go to Tommy. She'll she might advise you. She will advise you. When she starts charging for advice, I don't know if she will start charging for advice. So to me, please don't start charging. But she was a really good friend to me, or she's a really good person to me. Anyways, so I was like, you want me to do all this and you want to dash me? What are you dashing me exactly? Please don't dash me, because of what? No. So that's how I turned. Okay, I didn't turn it down. I was polite, like Tumi said I should be. I was polite and all this kind of stuff. But at the end of the day, they said, oh, don't worry, we do not deliver to Nigeria, we just deliver to UK and US and Canada, or UK and Canada. I can't even remember the countries they delivered to. And I was like, thank you, Jesus. Don't come and stress me because of what? Exposure and only God knows what. Anyways, yeah, so shout out to all content creators. So long as you put a camera in front of your face in this Nigeria that we're in, God bless you for entertaining us on social media. Like, you're really trying, because this job is not easy. Like, how can somebody do this full time? So you just wake up every day and decide to be doing this full time, and then somebody will come and tell you that you don't have a career. Wow. Voila. Cool. So for my concealer, I'm going with my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 340, and I'm just going to use that for my highlighting shade. Some people don't like cream contour, but me, Linda, I love cream contour. Some people say it's a waste of time, but me, Linda, I just love cream contour. I love cream contouring. So I'm just going to contour my face using the shade Carob in black opal. I'm just going to do that a little bit of my forehead. I think I don't really have forehead like that, so the bridge of my nose, and that's just it. So going with my beauty blender again. I love beauty blender. This beauty blender is from Talk Glam. If you're following me on Instagram, I talk about Talk Glam a lot. Yeah, so this beauty blender is from Talk Glam. Oh, if you're following me on my business page on Instagram, sorry, before people be like, you never talk about Talk Glam. Like, it's my business page on Instagram. So for those of you who don't know, I'm a makeup artist, okay? So I beat people's face for a living. Anyways, I make people beautiful for a living. That's what I do. I beat people's face for a living. If I get more comfortable, as I get more comfortable with you guys here on YouTube, I'm going to share my work with you guys, and maybe hopefully do a look on a model for you guys. I've done one before with my sister. My sisters are like my biggest supporters. Like, their face has suffered in my hand. After blending my contour, I'm going with this Soho brush, and I'm going to use that to blend my contour, my nose contour. Like, I just need to get that out of the way. Like, after blending out my nose contour, I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty cream blush, and I'm going to just dive inside. I'm going to go straight inside, and I'm just going to pack it on my cheekbone area, like close to my cheekbone area, just close to my contour. And don't bother about like me dipping my beauty blender inside. It's just for me. It's just for me. It's just for me. So like, don't be bothered. I'm the only one using it. When I finish, I'll clean it just so that my face doesn't get acne. Anyways, see that? Can you see that? Butter. God, too much Instagram. Anyways, I'm blending that in. This is beautiful. Like, I'm finding my love for makeup again, which is actually a good thing. I can remember when I told my sister, oh, I'm finding my love for makeup, and she said, I'm happy for you. Like, oh my god, like, I felt some kind of way. Like, I felt so happy when she said that. She was like, I'm happy for you. Like, I'm like, wow, I'm Jioney, you really do love makeup this much that it makes you this happy? Because you could see that I was happy. Anyways, tell me to be teaching you people. I'm here gisting up by now. Now I'm going to start blending out my highlights like this. So now I'm going with my Fenty Beauty banana powder, and I'm just going to press that into my skin. I'm setting, not baking yet, so I'm setting first. I'm just going to pack that all over my skin. See how I spread the whole powder? It's not just sitting in one place. That's how you should do yours too. Like, make sure to set that it's very smooth. Now for my contour, I'm going in with the Covergirl bronzer. This bronzer is the holy grail. This is the only thing I've ever loved. I like the Fenty, but I think that's not my shade. See, I have hairs on my upper lip. I forgot to wax to take them off. I don't know if you guys can see them though. Face bronzed. I'm going in with this blush by Jioney. I don't even know where I got this from. And I'm just going to set my blush. Ooh. Like, I'm sorry guys, I don't think I made eye contact enough in this video. Sorry. Next again, I'm going to use the Covergirl bronzer for my nose contour. So I'm just going to go in like that. I'm not dragging it all the way down. So just look up like this. So guys, now I'm going to go ahead and bake my face. Next, I'm moving on to my brows, and the brow pencil I'm using the Jordana, and I'm just going to fill it in, fill my brows in, like so. Like that, and I'm just going to do the other side. So guys, my brows are done, and I'm going with my Hegai and Esther powder in the shade HT24, and I'm going to use that to set the whole of my face. My eyeshadow, I'm not going to do much. I'm going into this James Charles palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here, my lid area. First, blend it out. I'm not putting any concealer there. I'm just going to blend the ones that are already there. I'm just going to pack it on my crease, on my eyelid, I mean. And then I'm going to take a clean brush, and I'm just going to blend everything out. And then I'm going to pop on some lashes, and I'll be back. So guys, I've gone ahead and popped some lashes on, and now I'm just going to dust off all excess. My lashes are from Minimalist, like. Together. I'm just going to blend my face together. I'm using the Hegai and Esther powder to do that. And this is about it. So now I'm going in with my eyebrow pencil in Jordana. First of all, let me spray my face. I'm going in with the Milani Make It Last All Day, and I'm going to set my face with this. I'm not putting too much. So while it's still drying off, I'm going in with this Taos Cosmetic Glow Drop with my beauty blender, and I'm just going to put that on my cheekbone. To the other side. So I'm going in with my ABH Glow Kit, and I'm taking the shade Bronzed. I'm just going to tap, just like setting it so it doesn't move, like that. I'm just going to tap a little bit on my brow bone area as well, my forehead, bridge of my nose, here. And then I'm going in with my Jordana pencil that I use for my brows. This Jordana pencil is in the shade Coffee Bean. I'm just going to use that to line my lips. I'm going into this classic lipstick in Nude Girl, and I'm just going to apply it on my lips. So guys, this is the finished look. I went ahead and I added this ponytail on my hair, and this ponytail is beautiful. It is soft. Oh my god. And it's from La Cher Beauty Hair. I'll put it on the screen for you guys to see, so you guys can go ahead and purchase from her. It is very soft, very beautiful. Anyways, if you liked my video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be soon, hopefully. Thank you so much for watching.